Hare Krishna. A hearty welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with another Ekadashi special recipe. Today, let's make Ekadashi special tortillas. Amused? Yes, these are really easy to make and healthy too. On Ekadashis too, we can prepare such amazing varieties of bhoga offering for Krishna. I am pretty sure this is going to be added in your favorite list too. So let's get started. First, let's make the tortillas. For this, I have taken a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of Amarnath flour or Rajgira flour. In this, add senda salt to taste. Give it a random mix. Further, I have taken 1 boiled cooled potato which we will grate. Grating the potatoes ensure that we get a smooth dough and it gets well combined. Moreover, we are making the tortillas without any baking powder or baking soda and the tortillas are gluten free. Now combine the potato and dough very well and evenly. We need not use much water as well. Adding potatoes make sure the tortilla does not break while folding it. This has combined well. Next add a little water part by part. Do not add all at once. Totally I have used around 1/4 cup water. Mix it well. Our dough is ready. Add half teaspoon of oil and give it a final knead. This is done. You can see its consistency. Now cover a lid on it and keep it to rest for 15 minutes. Next, let's make the patties quickly. For this, I have boiled for 2 whistles and cooled 2 raw bananas. Now take a mixing bowl, cut the bananas. Into this add 2 medium-sized boiled and cooled potatoes. Mash both this well. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. You can see it has been mashed. Now add senda salt to taste. 1/4 cup roasted crushed peanuts. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon ginger chili paste. 1/3 cup Amarnath flour or Rajgira atta. And finally 2 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Now mix all this well. You can see our mixture dry and not at all watery or sticky. This is mainly because of bananas and moreover we had used cooled bananas and potatoes. This is also the reason for its being dry. Here instead of Rajgira flour, you can also use buckwheat flour or water chestnut flour. Our mixture is ready. Here I have taken some oil. Apply it on the palm. Grab some mixture and make a well-shaped patty. Similarly, I will make all of them. Our patties are ready. I have made more number of patties compared to tortillas. So you can take half measurement for the patties. Here I have heated some oil. Now place the patties carefully. Let them cook on low flame until they turn golden brown. Let's turn them. You can see they have got a beautiful golden color. We will let them cook further. These patties are immensely crispy and crunchy. This tastes perfect in the tortillas. It has been 10 minutes. Let's turn them off. These have become very crispy. With this, the patties are ready. Let's take them out. Patties are ready. Next, let's move to our dough. Give it a rough knead. Divide it equally. Out of this, we can make 4 tortillas. For tortillas, here I have taken a plastic sheet. On this, place a dough ball. Now roll it into a chapati. Roll it gently. It becomes really easy to roll the dough on the plastic sheet. Roll the chapati into medium thick one. It is ready. You can see how easily is it coming out without breaking. Heat a tawa and place it on it. Cook this on medium flame. You can see it. Now flip this and cook it from all the sides. And for this, we must not use any oil. This become really soft after they cook. Moreover, if you like, you can cook them before itself and keep it will stay soft only. Golden spots too have appeared. The tortilla is ready. Let's take it out and similarly make all the tortillas. Next, we will make fresh cheese spread. For this, take 1/4 cup fresh paneer into a mixing jar and add senda salt to taste. Further add half teaspoon of oil and half teaspoon lemon juice. Blend all this well for 2 minutes. With this, our instant cheese spread is ready. Instead of buy cheese spread from market, is better to make it instantly at home for Ekadashi. You can see it is smooth and creamy. Here I have taken the green chutney whose recipe I had shared before, and I have given its link in the description box below. Next, I have cut the cabbage into slender pieces along with tomato and cucumber. If you are not eating cabbage or any other veggie, you can eliminate it. Let's start assembling our tortilla now. Take one tortilla, spread the instant cheese spread. Apply the green chutney. Now place the crispy patties we made. You can place it whole or also divide it. Next, place some tomatoes, cucumber and cabbage. Fold. Done. You can see how easily we made it, and the kids are definitely going to love, and us too. Our veg tortillas are ready. Let's offer it to Lord Jagannath by placing a tulsi leaf. Our crispy and perfect Ekadashi special veg tortilla are offered and ready. Try them out on Ekadashi. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Hare Krishna, Happy Ekadashi.